Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks, and today I'm going to show you all of the crafty bits that I ordered from Temu. I know people have been buying from Temu for quite a while now, and I was a bit late to the party, but I have ordered quite a few things, some for the kitchen, some for the bathroom, some for crafts, so I unboxed them all over on Rocksteady. And I will be getting some more stuff at some point, and I will always do the unboxings over there on Rocksteady. But I've separated out the crafty stuff, and I feel like there's stuff not here that I ordered for, and I don't think I've got it all. I think I might put some somewhere that I don't quite remember. But anyway, I will go with it. So a lot of this is for my shop, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk. There's a link to the shop underneath the video and a voucher code that's valid until the end of December. So some of these things are for that shop, not necessarily to sell, but what I normally do is I usually use these little organza bags, and I put stuff in there, like little freebies, like stitch markers and maybe some biscuits and tea bags and crochet hooks usually stick out of it, and all kinds of things, sometimes a business card and bits and bobs. So I wanted to get some of those, and the first ones I ordered were these ones, and these are red obviously. And when they arrived, although I'm sure I ordered that size, what I actually got was this. So as you can see, there is a bit of a difference. Now I'll still get a couple of stitch markers, maybe a sweetie or something, and a crochet hook can still stick out of it, but that is quite a difference in the size of those. So I've got quite a few of these red ones now, but they're quite cute anyway. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. So that will last me a very long time. And I still, like I said, I will still put an order in because I still want to get some bigger ones. So then I thought, there we go, got some bigger ones. And put in this order, and these ones arrived. Now, they are bigger, but they're bigger than those, but they're not as big as these. So now I have to get some more. They are bigger. They will get more in this one, but they're still not the size of these ones. Now I got these off of eBay, but compared to the price on Temu, it's a lot more expensive to get them on eBay. I just need to make sure that they are going to send me the right size. So I've got various sizes in these organza bags now. Still need to get the bigger ones because sometimes only the bigger ones will do, but I did get a few of these as well because they are nice and inexpensive. So I've got 4 of those. So yeah, quite a lot of now organza bags. So I'm sorted. Really, I don't have to get those, but I'd like to. So then I kept seeing this yarn, and every time I saw it, it reminded me of the Karen cotton cakes because of the way, excuse the crinkling, the crunching, very cellophane-y their bags that they use, or their packaging. Yeah, when I kept seeing it, I saw it this view, and it looked so much like the Karen cotton cakes, but it comes like this without a band, and it just, you know, that's all you can really see. But it has got some like different colours in there. It is all cotton. I got 2 of them, so it's enough to make something with, perhaps a bag or something, I don't know, but it is cotton. I don't know what it's like. I just wanted to see if it was anything whatsoever like the sorry about the noise, about like the Karen. I thought, oh, I'll compare it, and I sold my last ball before it arrived, so I haven't got one to compare it to. But I don't know if I'll get any more of the Karen cotton cakes or not. So I do have one of these in the other yarn room, I think, anyway, but you can never have enough of them, or you can if you don't use them, which I haven't so far. but I will. And this is a bag bottom, or a, you know, a basket bottom. It's got studs at the bottom so that it doesn't wear, which is pretty cool. And it is quite sturdy, quite durable. And I got the black one because I thought it would go with everything. And most things, you know, I would probably edge in a black. So yeah, I got that just to give it a go, see what it was like. Got nice big holes to you know, get your crochet hook through and get your stitch through. So that is one of those. I thought I ordered more than them, and I definitely ordered 2 of these. I've got them both here, and these are solid bottoms, very solid actually, and they're for kind of baskets. If you make, so they're very solid. One's a heart shape, so you can make a nice little heart shaped basket, and a round one. So I've got 2 of those, and they come in a pack of 2. Don't remember how much they cost, but you know, when it comes to Temu, it ain't a lot, is it? It's quite a strange phenomenon though, isn't it? Because things are so inexpensive that you just keep piling it in and piling it in, and then you look at your basket and it says £50 and you think, huh, no, start taking stuff out. And this is what happened with my Temu order, and why it took me so long to place it, because things went in, things went out, things went in, things went out. And yeah, and then I got confused as to what I actually did order, what I didn't actually order. And then I ordered things twice, because I have to say, the way they display what you've ordered, what's arrived, and anything that might be outstanding on the online kind of desktop computer, they don't show you it, even though you've got an account. It just, you click on my orders and it will show you what's been sent, but it doesn't show you what hasn't arrived yet. And because of that, I ordered some things twice, but they are not yarn related or craft related. If they were, it wouldn't matter, because as I say, I often just pop things like this in people's orders in any case. So quite a lot of the things I order are not going to stay with me. I just put them in as little freebie bits, and I might use some of them, I might not use them, but we'll see. So yeah, a couple of things for the kitchen. At least I did order twice, which is a bit annoying. Now I ordered these, and Gary bought me something very similar to this once. I don't know why it's in such a long bag. Bit of a strange thing, because it's not a long thing. But what it is a little key ring with 3 little crochet hooks on, and I still have the one he got me, but they weren't these aluminium. Okay, I know I say aluminium funny if you're watching me across the pond. I actually say it correctly. It has got an I in it, aluminium. It's not aluminum, you know. Aluminum isn't what it is, it's aluminium. Just saying, you know. But yeah, I know it's hilarious, aluminium, but there you go. They're cute, I like them, but I'd say that is not the strongest ring, but yeah, not bad. I've got a couple of those, so they could go in orders, you never know. I was thinking of wrapping little, I've got another little kind of order of some Christmas little bags, and so when people order and it's getting near Christmas, I can put little gifts in rather than just the organza. Another organza one that I had out earlier, and that's just the packaging for that. So then I ordered some stickers, and it's going to make this fall off if I'm not careful. So these are cute little Christmas stickers to go on orders and stuff like that, and Christmas cards and the like. So that was really inexpensive. And then I got these ones, and I do believe these say thank you for your order and stuff like that. It's hard to show you with all the snazzy kind of colours shooting off them. I love that kind of iridescent rainbow type stuff. And there's another pack of those in there because I decided I needed 2 of those. And although this is nothing to do with crafts, this is so handy. And you know, every year we buy packets and packets of gift tags for Christmas. Well, these ones, look at the size. of this roll. There is not a chance that we're going to run out for a few years. And well, yeah, they're not bad. They've got kind of Christmassy designs on. We've got Santa and snowmen, reindeer. See, pretty? Yeah, not bad. I think they're cute. So then I got these stickers, which again say thank you, and there's a couple of different types. So these are all just things that I can stick on parcels, make them look cute. And I also ordered this, and I haven't used it yet. It's a little chalkboard, and you get like a little easel, and you can make it. I could put it up there with a sign saying, you know, live at 5, like Granny D has live at 5, that sort of thing. So I could, but the only thing that's stopping me using it at the moment is I don't have any chalk at all. But that is extremely cute. So that wasn't it. That was all of the things that I kind of liked and ordered. But these I love, and I ordered lots of these. Now I've shown them a bit. I've shown this one, and this is not the one that I've shown you earlier. This is another one that I stuffed out because I wanted to see how many 50-gram balls of yarn these would take. So this is quite stuffed, I don't mind telling you. And then I wanted to see how many, because I've got the new ones that I've got are large. Well, they're larger, and these are green. So the small ones are blue and the larger ones are green. And I wanted to see how much yarn I could get in them. And this one was really difficult because it was difficult to close. So you can't overstuff them. But these are my little idea for Hobby Rocks for Santa sack, so people could order these for their loved ones for Christmas, order it for mum for Christmas, or get your other half to order them. They're going to be, some are going to be pre-filled like this, and so all you've got to do is order one. Or you can order the bag and then order yarn to go in it, and give me the address of the person you want. Like, the shipping address will not be yours, and I will send it to them, and you can have it as a secret Santa, or you can have it all go to you, and then you can pack it and send it to them. So lots of different ideas with what to do. Now, interestingly, how many do you, I wanted to figure out how much you could get in these bags, and I've kind of messed it up a little bit. The 50-gram in the small, I got 8 or 9 in. 9 was stuffed out, you know, and the 100-gram is 5. There's not many go in there. They're really quite big, and it's not a very big bag. The large one, 100 grams, I got 10 of them in there, but that is pretty stuffed out. So if you didn't want it to be quite so tight and hard to shut, 9 is a good one, but 9 to 10 it will take. 50 grams, it took 12. Now I think I've not really stuffed one out with 50 grams, but I would say 12 to 13 you'll get in there. So those are my Christmas sacks. So they are going to be in my shop. I haven't put them up yet because I was waiting for the big ones, and also I'm waiting for an advertising pop-up. But yeah, they are quite stuffed. Now, if you order a little bit less yarn, for instance, you could put some accessories in. So you could put like crochet hook or knitting needles if they're for someone who knits, that sort of thing. You can even put anything. If you're choosing it to fill yourself, you can put a cross stitch in. Put anything you want, anything, as long as it will fit. So there you go. That is my Crafty Temu order. So the only yarn that I chanced was that cotton. I'd seen so many people's bad reports about the yarn that I didn't want to chance too much yarn. And as you know, I have a bit of yarn around here, so much so that my space is getting more and more limited. The Yarnavan now looks like a hoarder lives here, and there's boxes and back boxes without racking everywhere. So yeah, if I get any more, it's not going to be a lot. I might get some more of the Karen Ogos, the Colorama halos. I might get some more of those, and possibly something else, but as it stands I might get some Signet as well. I've got some lovely new stuff, so we'll see, but I need to make some space for sure first. That is my Temu order. Tell me what you think. Have you ordered from Temu? Did you get yarn? Is it any good? I mean, that cotton looked very much like the Karen cotton cakes until I got them, and then it looks thinner. It looks longer. I mean, I know it's not got a yarn band, so it's probably elongated somehow, but it doesn't look bad though, I have to say. The only way to know is to use it and see how it works up, and if there's any joins throughout the ball, you know, telltale signs that it's you know, got some annoying little traits. So until I use it, I won't know for sure. But you know, there's an awful lot of things that I bought that I didn't need to get, and I think that's the trouble with Temu. It's got such a vast amount of stuff, and I didn't need a chalkboard. I didn't need to get half of that stuff, but as you're looking, you think, ah, that's cute, how much? Oh, that's cheap, and you pop it in, and like I said, you look at the price of your basket, and suddenly it's how much, when they're only like £1-2 each, you know, and it really does round up. I mean, I did buy more besides. I bought some makeup and nothing that I'm going to put in my eye or anything like that, stuff that I could be quite safe using. And I bought some kitchen-y bits and bobs and stuff like that that are not crafty. Well, I suppose you could say cooking is a craft. But yeah, I'm in the bits I got, I'm quite happy with, especially all the stickers. You couldn't buy them anywhere else that cheap. They were pretty decent price for stickers. I'm a little bit annoyed that although I measured it and thought I got the right size twice, I still don't have these ones. But you don't always need them that big, so that's fine. Thank you for watching. Let me know about your little flirtations with Temu. On the whole, I think it's a bit of a fad. As far as I'm concerned, it's not something I'm gonna order from all the time, like maybe I do Amazon, or something I just pop on eBay for. A lot of the stuff on Amazon and eBay is at Temu. You know, that's obviously where they're buying it all from, the same place. So yeah, I don't know. Jury's still out as regarding the yarn. I'll let you know what I think once I've used it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, everyone.